One unexpected expense, that's all it takes to send most people into debt. Car breaks down, medical bill hits, hours get cut, and just like that, everything falls apart. Not because you're bad with money, but because you didn't have protection, a buffer, a wall between you and life. That wall has a name. It's called an emergency fund. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to build one, even if you're on low income. Here's reality. Most people, they can't cover a $400 emergency without debt. $400. So what happens? Something breaks, it usually goes on a credit card. Balance grows and the payments increase. Less money and there's little to no savings. Then the next emergency hits and the cycle repeats. This isn't a spending problem, it's a preparation problem. And if you're thinking, I don't have enough to save, good, this is exactly for you because this system works even when money is tight. We're going to break this into two simple stages. Stage one, a starter fund, and stage two, a full fund. Most people try to skip ahead. That's why they fail. Stage one, your first goal is simple $1,000. Not 10,000, not 5,000, just $1,000. Why? Because that can handle most emergencies. Car repairs, medical costs, unexpected bills, and most importantly, it keeps you out of debt. Your first 1,000 is the hardest money you will ever have to save. And after that, it gets easier. Let's say rent has a take-home pay of $2,500 a month. After bills, there's about $400 left. Most people think that's not enough to save. They're wrong. Here's rent's plan. 150 automatic transfer. 125 from cutting expenses. That's $275 per month. That's $1,000 in just under 4 months. That's not magic, just intentional. So this is where most people are able to speed up the process. Extra money becomes fuel. Tax refund, side money, selling stuff, all of these goes towards your emergency fund. Nothing leaks. Everything builds. You want to use a high yield savings account. This is going to be separate from your checking account. You want to look for a high yield savings account that is offering 4% or higher. This separate account will make it harder to access. This means less temptation to spend it. We just want to keep it simple. Once you hit $1,000, now you can build your real safety net. This will be 3 to 6 months of actual expenses. So if your monthly expenses are $2,000, your target will be $6,000 to $12,000. This is what protects you from job loss, not just inconvenience. So here are the steps to take. Step 1, set your target, which is $1,000. Step 2, open a high yield savings account. Step 3, automate, even if it's $25. Step 4, cut temporarily. Speed matters early. Step 5, capture extra money. Nothing gets wasted. Step 6, protect it. These are just for emergency only. This is a real shift. You're not just saving money, you're becoming someone who's prepared. Someone who doesn't panic when life happens. Here's what changes when you have $1,000 saved. Life hits, and instead of stress, you handle it calmly, without debt. That's what we're building here, not just savings, stability. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple system. This is Ren, I rethink every nickel, and remember, small moves leads to big wealth.